I'm also pretty well. And so please tell about yourself.
My name is Vijay Lakshmi. I am from Rajasthan, the Ganganagar district, and by profession I am a teacher.
That's nice. You are a teacher. Hmm.
It's a noble profession and it's not my job. It's what are you doing nowadays to improve your
Actually, yeah, if I say before my marriage, so uh, I used to go to school, means I was working in a school, and I also took classes at my home. I was tuition teacher also. So I was playing so many roles, and nowadays I'm nothing doing. I want to learn this English, this language. So it is only my one skills nowadays that I will have to be become fluent. So I'm improving a lot. Mm, I'm practice. Whenever I get time, so I practice a lot, and I give the time to learning this language, because we know it is a language only, and we are learning, and we it was not since childhood. So and we didn't get the environment, so that's why we faced a lot of problem for learning this language, and there was no environment. But now the scenario has changed and time has changed, so now we are connected to uh, different type of people, and we can practice here and there. And so now we now I'm also here, and we are also here and for practicing, and we are improving. So we are learning we are learning every day.
when did,
We sorry,
when did you get married?
I didn't get.
When did you get married?
Okay, 23rd of November, I got married.
Okay, congratulations.
Thank you.
How is your new family?
Yeah, they are nice.
Just like I am from Rajasthan, I feel comfort in speaking Rajasthani and second in Hindi. So we are not used to speaking in English. So we have to need the practice more and more. That's uh, we can able to speak.
Okay. So are you a private teacher or a government teacher?
I am a government teacher.
Oh, that's nice. Rajasthan means which in Rajasthan which exam did you clear?
RPSC.
RPSC.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, so that's good. Congratulations. What do you want to say the people that how should we start practice? What was the strategy? What should be strategy to?
Going for competitive exam.
Yeah, both exam and also government exam that they are doing. Uh, they are practicing, and they are struggling. So, what should be strategy to crack the exam? Any exam. So, what
Nowadays,
was your strategy?
nowadays we have a tough competition. You know,
Yeah.
lot of person are preparing for government exam also. So first we have to command our own subject. Just like me, in the terms of reading and writing, say, I uh, have a command on my subject English, in grammar also, and also the literature, English literature. I have, I think, enough. And if we talk about GK, general knowledge, it's a good day. From my school days, from my college days, I have a great interest in general science. I have a good command. Mathematics. I am earlier mathematics teacher, so I don't face any difficulty. But you have to pay uh, your one 12 hour to preparation of the competition exam in Rajasthan. If you heard about most of people run after the government's job. If you heard about in Rajasthan, government are fully, you can say the requirements are every years issuing. So that's why a lot of people are preparing. And every exam have a different kind of pattern. Just like in the government teacher exam, we have a part of general knowledge, GK. In we have a lot of wide history, geography, science, math, computer also, economics, political science. These kind of the subject included in our journal paper. Second paper we have a subject. So we have to clear both of. We have to work on both. We put our I think 12 to 14 hours per day crack the
You
competition
spend
from
you
Rajasthan.
spend the time.
Yes, and we have to strong our roots from our college days, from our school days.
Okay,
We
so
can't take exam in one day. We have to spend our 1 year.
that means you want to say that consistency should be must.
And you have to per day. I just told you 12 hours. Rajasthan student paying. And in you heard about quota in
Kota,
Rajasthan.
yes.
Yes, Jodhpur, Jaipur, Sikar nowadays. These kind of cities are education hub. They have a
Okay.
different kind of identity in Rajasthan. Kota and Sikar as a NEET and JE, these kind of for exam famous, and Jaipur and Bikaner also other UPSC exam and RPSC exams. Lot of coachings found there. And nowadays, you know, the competition is very tough.
Yeah, nowadays competition is, it's a high. It
Ah,
can be that, uh, like we want to go like a mountain, and yeah, it's too tough. And recently, I uh, uh, I gave one another exam, EMRS. Did you listen? EMRS exam, Eklavya, Eklavya exam. It conducted. It was conducted first time. It was conducted first time. You have, sorry.
I don't heard about these kind of exam.
Okay, so EMRS exam. It was those tribal students. It is conducted for tribal students. So when I went on my center, so I met the people. So I was listening only and I was observing. So they were really good. So whenever we go anywhere for in center, so when we meet different type of people and also different type of aspirants, so we notice and we know that it's a competition, it's a huge competition, and how can we beat the people,
Yes,
it is, yeah,
agree.
it's a means that means एड़ी चोटी का जोर लगाना, it can be say.
Very true.
Yeah, so if we want to crack the exam, so
We
we will
have to
have
everything.
hard work.
We have to forget everything.
Yeah, if we want to crack the exam, so we will have to hard work, otherwise how can we get?
Yes, yes, very true. And that kind of exam, who take part these kind of exam, Eklavya exam?
Actually, teaching exam, I have completed B.Ed. No?
that's why.
So
In
I'm sorry.
a different state, a different kind of
Central,
education.
central state. Central, sorry. Like, did you listen KBS?
Yes, yes, KVs.
KBS, it is a central level, and EMRS also central level. But it will be in blazes, rural area.
Or maybe in Rajasthan have I don't heard these kind of schemes, any scheme. So I don't.
Okay.
And
So
was
I,
your exam?
sorry, yes, please.
How was your exam?
No, actually, I got married November, and last
Then
month, December.
get
Yeah,
I
yeah, it was the exam in December, and how can I?
I wish you, in future you will be prepared for any exam.
Yeah, definitely. I'm learning a lot.
Me
When
too.
I go, yeah, when I go any center, and I attend any exam, so that means I never keep in my mind that what will happen, because otherwise I will be in trouble, and I will start to anxiety, trauma. So I always keep in my mind that I'm learning whenever. If I do not crack the exam, it's okay, because I didn't give the time. I think I don't have more knowledge, so I should be more knowledge rather than other people. Then I will get I will crack the exam. So I
Next,
need to be work a lot and hard work on me. So after that, then, because otherwise, how will I give to students?
next time, when will you start preparing? First of all, you get the syllabus of the exam and go through the topics, what kind of the topics, and start collecting the matters, what kind of good matters, what kind of the authentic matters, and keep a systematic plan to what kind of topic you have to learn first and second and third. First responsibility to get a good matter. If we have a good matter, good notes, then when it's a half journey completed, and after that we start. We have to first syllabus, and after that good books or authentic books.
That's nice. So can we take any kind of course, means purchase course? Should we need or not?
Yes, in Rajasthan, I know about. In I can't say about your state, but in Rajasthan we have a lot of coaching center. We have a lot of apps made by the coaching centers, different subject, general knowledge. No? So and they are suggesting good books also, and they are organizing seminar regarding to the competitive exams. Online you can search.
Okay, thank you. Actually, I was thinking another things suddenly. So I think we have taken more time, so we should be wrap up the session. And next time, definitely we will take a topic, and we will start also to,
We try to text first, and after that we will discuss.
yeah. So
Thank
thank
you.
you so much. And really, I learned a lot. You gave many ideas about the that how can we prepare the for competitive exam, and it is really it is really actually I'm getting
Thank
it
you.
is really helpful for me and also others. Thank you so much once again.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
Bye.